Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some of the best natural methods to treat heartburn. You know, that burning sensation in your chest and throat? Yeah, we're tackling that. If you suffer from heartburn, you know how uncomfortable it can be. It can really put a damper on your day, making it hard to focus on anything else. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some effective and natural remedies. We're going to explore some simple yet powerful solutions that you can easily incorporate into your daily life. These natural remedies have helped many people find relief from heartburn, and I'm confident they can help you too. Remember, it's always a good idea to consult with your doctor before trying any new remedies, especially if you have any underlying health conditions or are taking medications. Let's kick things off with ginger, a powerhouse when it comes to natural remedies. This humble root has been a staple in kitchens and medicine cabinets around the world for centuries. Ginger has been used for centuries in traditional medicine, and for good reason. Its versatility and effectiveness have made it a go-to remedy for a variety of ailments. It contains compounds called gingerols and shogols that give it those potent anti-inflammatory properties. These compounds are what make ginger such a powerful tool in combating inflammation and pain. Now you might be thinking, spicy ginger for heartburn? Really? But trust me on this one. Despite its spicy kick, ginger can be incredibly soothing for your digestive system. While it might seem counterintuitive, ginger can actually work wonders for heartburn. Its natural properties help to neutralize stomach acids and reduce inflammation. You see, heartburn often stems from inflammation in the esophagus, and that's where ginger steps in. By reducing this inflammation, ginger can help alleviate the burning sensation that comes with heartburn. Those amazing anti-inflammatory properties of ginger can help soothe the esophagus, reducing that uncomfortable burning sensation. It's like giving your esophagus a much-needed break. And the best part? There are several ways you can incorporate ginger into your diet. From teas to soups and even desserts, the possibilities are endless. One simple method is to enjoy a warm cup of ginger tea. This soothing beverage is not only delicious, but also incredibly easy to make. Simply steep a few slices of fresh ginger in hot water for a few minutes, and voila! You have a soothing and flavorful drink that can help calm those heartburn flare-ups. Add a touch of honey or lemon for extra flavor and benefits. If you're feeling adventurous, you can even try chewing on a small piece of fresh ginger. This method delivers the ginger's benefits directly and can be quite effective. It might be a bit spicy, but the benefits are worth it. The direct contact with your mouth and throat can provide immediate relief. Just remember to start with a small amount and see how your body reacts. Everyone's tolerance to ginger's spiciness can vary, so it's best to ease into it. Ginger is generally safe for consumption, but if you experience any adverse effects, discontinue use and consult with your doctor. It's always a good idea to check with a healthcare professional, especially if you have underlying health conditions. So, next time heartburn strikes, reach for some ginger and experience its soothing power for yourself. Whether you choose to sip on ginger tea or chew on a fresh slice, you'll be tapping into a time-tested remedy that has brought relief to countless people over the centuries. Embrace the power of ginger and say goodbye to heartburn discomfort. Moving on to another soothing remedy, aloe vera juice. This natural elixir has been cherished for centuries for its myriad of health benefits. You know it as a sunburn savior, but did you know aloe vera can also work wonders for heartburn? Yes, this versatile plant is not just for external use. Aloe vera is known for its incredible healing properties, and those benefits extend to our digestive system as well. The gel inside the leaves is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. The gel-like substance found inside aloe vera leaves contains compounds that can help reduce inflammation and soothe irritation. These compounds include polysaccharides, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties. When it comes to heartburn, aloe vera juice can help calm the burning sensation by coating and soothing the lining of the esophagus. This can provide much-needed relief from the discomfort of acid reflux. Now, it's important to note that not all aloe vera juice is created equal. There are many brands and formulations available, and it's crucial to choose the right one for your needs. When choosing aloe vera juice for heartburn, make sure to select a brand that is specifically formulated for internal use. Look for labels that indicate the juice is safe for consumption. These varieties are typically decolorized and processed to remove aloin, a natural laxative found in aloe vera. Decolorization ensures that the juice is safe and gentle on your digestive system. You can usually find aloe vera juice at health food stores or online. It's widely available, so you shouldn't have trouble locating a reputable brand. The recommended dosage varies depending on the concentration of the juice, so always follow the instructions on the product label. It's essential to adhere to these guidelines to avoid any potential side effects. Start with a small amount and gradually increase it if needed. This allows your body to adjust to the juice and helps you gauge its effectiveness. And as always, if you have any concerns or experience any adverse effects, it's best to consult with your doctor. They can provide personalized advice and ensure that aloe vera juice is a safe option for you. Incorporating aloe vera juice into your routine can be a simple yet effective way to manage heartburn and improve your overall digestive health. Give it a try and experience the soothing benefits for yourself. Let's talk about a pantry staple that can provide quick relief from heartburn: baking soda. This common household item is often overlooked for its medicinal properties, but it can be a real lifesaver when you're in a pinch. You probably know it as a leavening agent in baking, but baking soda also has antacid properties that can help neutralize stomach acid. It's a versatile ingredient that has been used for generations, not just in the kitchen, but also in home remedies. Heartburn often occurs when stomach acid flows back up into the esophagus, causing that uncomfortable burning sensation. This can be triggered by various factors such as spicy foods, overeating, or even stress. The pain can be quite intense, making it hard to focus on anything else. Baking soda works by neutralizing the excess acid, providing rapid relief from heartburn symptoms. The alkaline nature of baking soda counteracts the acidity in your stomach, bringing you quick comfort. To use baking soda for heartburn, simply mix a teaspoon of baking soda with a glass of water. This simple mixture can be prepared in seconds, making it an easy solution when you're in need of fast relief. Stir it well until the baking soda is fully dissolved and then drink the solution slowly. Taking your time to drink it can help ensure that it works effectively and doesn't cause any additional discomfort. It's important not to consume baking soda on a full stomach, as this can lead to discomfort and bloating. The reaction between the baking soda and the stomach acid can produce gas, which can make you feel even more uncomfortable. While baking soda can provide quick relief, it's essential to use it sparingly. Overuse can lead to unwanted side effects, so it's best to reserve it for occasional use rather than a daily remedy. Excessive consumption of baking soda can disrupt the body's natural pH balance and lead to other health issues. It's crucial to be mindful of how much you're using and to avoid making it a regular habit. It's also important to note that baking soda is high in sodium, so it's not suitable for individuals on a low-sodium diet. High sodium intake can lead to increased blood pressure and other cardiovascular issues. As always, consult with your doctor before using baking soda for heartburn, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Your doctor can provide personalized advice and ensure that it's a safe option for you. In summary, baking soda can be a quick and effective remedy for heartburn when used correctly. Just remember to use it sparingly and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. With these precautions in mind, you can enjoy the benefits of this versatile household staple. Now, this one might seem a bit counterintuitive. Apple cider vinegar for heartburn. You might be thinking, vinegar? But that's acidic. And you're right, apple cider vinegar is acidic. However, it can actually help balance stomach acid levels and provide relief from heartburn. Here's the thing. Sometimes, heartburn is not caused by excess stomach acid, but rather by too little stomach acid. When there isn't enough stomach acid, food may not be properly digested, leading to acid reflux and heartburn. Apple cider vinegar can help increase stomach acidity, aiding in digestion and reducing the likelihood of acid reflux. To use apple cider vinegar for heartburn, mix 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar with a glass of water. It's best to drink this mixture before meals to help stimulate digestion and prevent heartburn. If you find the taste too strong, you can add a bit of honey to sweeten it. As with any remedy, it's essential to listen to your body. If you experience any discomfort or worsening of symptoms after consuming apple cider vinegar, discontinue use and consult with your doctor. Let's end with a surprisingly simple yet effective remedy for heartburn: chewing gum. Yes, you heard that right. Chewing gum, particularly sugar-free gum, can help alleviate heartburn symptoms. How does chewing gum help? Well, when you chew gum, it stimulates saliva production. Saliva plays a crucial role in neutralizing stomach acid. When you chew gum, the increased saliva flow helps wash away acid that has crept up into the esophagus, providing relief from heartburn. Opt for sugar-free gum, as sugary gum can actually worsen heartburn symptoms. Look for gum that contains xylitol, a natural sugar alcohol that has been shown to have additional benefits for oral health. Chewing gum after meals can be particularly helpful in preventing heartburn. The act of chewing also helps promote digestion and can prevent acid from backing up into the esophagus. So, next time you're feeling the burn, pop a piece of sugar-free gum and experience its soothing effects. Thanks for watching. If you found these natural remedies helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more health tips. We're all about empowering you to take control of your health naturally. Let us know in the comments if you have any other natural remedies for heartburn that have worked for you. Sharing is caring, and your experience might help someone else find relief. Remember, these remedies are meant to complement, not replace, the advice of your healthcare provider. If you experience frequent or severe heartburn, it's essential to consult with your doctor to rule out any underlying medical conditions. See you next time.